7 snores ago, you needed a better mattress.
At Great Rooms and Little Traverse Furniture and Mattresses, we can help.
Save up to $400 on trusted Sealy support.
Up to $500 on the latest innovations from Tempur-Pedic.
And up to $800 on the luxurious comfort of Stearns Foster.
With hundreds of mattresses in stock here in northern Michigan, the only thing you wait for is bedtime.
Visit our sleep experts
At Great Rooms in Gaylord or Little Traverse Furniture and Mattresses in Petoskey.